Hi, my name is Sampath Kumar Venkateswamy. I'm a research manager with Asia Pacific Manufacturing Insights based out of India. Today I'm going to talk briefly about the digital transformation happening in the manufacturing sector along with the shaping of the factory of the future. The manufacturing community is facing unprecedented challenges in the form of fragile economies, increasing costs, inadequate infrastructure, and from Asia Pacific point of view, the business concerns are around increased competition, demand variability, increasing internal costs, while the business priorities are around exploiting new markets and customer segments, reducing operational risks, and product innovation. In order to mitigate these concerns, most of the Asia Pacific community is looking to adopt the factory of the future. The factory of the future is a simple, modular, agile, time-saving technology which is highly networked, digital in nature, versatile, and can respond to external stimuli in the shortest time frame. Some of the key technologies of the factory of the future are robotics and automation to improve productivity, the IT/OT convergence to increase visibility and to resolve issues faster, predictive preventive maintenance to address maintenance related concerns, and supply chain analytics to mitigate risks and network issues. The factory of the future enables the rise of business transformers and disruptors, in effect bringing in after-sales revenue and new servitization models. The business model disruptors could be in the form of selling the service through connected products, linking the physical and the virtual, or replacing the physical and the physicalized, in essence bringing in new value streams through value-added services. The rise of transformers could mean different things to different industries. In the case of industrial equipment, the remote diagnostics of equipment or remote monitoring of equipment and preventive maintenance schedules could bring in new revenues and new revenue streams. In the case of transportation, it could redefine or replace the ownership, removing the need for travel altogether, and integrated transportation systems and infotainment systems. In the case of high-tech equipment, replacing your existing products into smart products and servitization models. In the case of consumer products, it could mean supply chain restructuring through direct shipments, mass customization, and new production techniques in the form of 3D food printing and 3D printing. As part of the digital transformation, the Asian manufacturers are planning to invest in new key technologies such as factory automation, sales and operation planning applications, and integration and consolidation of existing application portfolios. In order to implement the factory of the future, IDC recommends 3 distinct phases. Initial phase would be the plant and enterprise-wide installation, followed by plant-wide optimization to manufacturing intelligence, and the third phase, which would be the new technologies that can disrupt the first phase. The other aspects of the implementation would be the standardization, that is to minimize the skill requirements and attempt to roll out common platforms with regional variations to bring in customization. And from a supplier point of view, ensure that the suppliers are bought into your vision and can advise correctly on what technologies to put out today. From an organizational transformation, rethink existing operational and support processes such as purchasing and human resources. And from a cultural standpoint, put in place a constant process of change to utilize the visibility that technology gives into the process to drive the next level of efficiency. Based on the IDC Manufacturing Insights Futurescape, following are the actions that the manufacturing community should be making in terms of technology investments. Consider how your investments can lead to business transformation and not just incremental improvements. The future is automated, so prioritize automation as the #1 investment area. And use data and analytics to improve the experience, provide insights, influence decisions, and set directions in the overall product development, and make investments that enable the next best action. Some of our planned and published research are as follows: Smart Manufacturing in APEJ, Worldwide Manufacturing 2017 Predictions, IT/OT convergence trends in APJ are the documents that we have already published, and what we are planning to in the next few quarters are supply chain network optimization trends and IoT trends across APJ, business model transformations in manufacturing, growth of driver-assisted technologies, and IoT frameworks and standards for smart manufacturing with a focus on APJ. From an event standpoint, we have some Smart Manufacturing Roundtable series happening in 2017. The focus would be on ASEAN countries, and the reason why we are doing that is to have a manufacturing focused event wherein executives can meet in an open collaborative setting, meet with peers to discuss common challenges and share concrete experiences, access to IDC manufacturing insights, research, and analysts, and with external speakers who would provide fresh perspectives. And it's going to be an executive only program exploring business, technology, and leadership strategies. If you wish to learn more about the smart manufacturing initiatives across APJ, please feel free to reach out to us at the following coordinates. Thank you.